the Supreme Court, where the justices ruled yesterday on a very significant campaign issue, abortion. The court also decided to challenge a legal settlement with the makers of oxycontin, an opioid painkiller linked to hundreds of thousands of deaths. Jan Crawford has more on that ruling.
Strike down the deal!
The Supreme Court blocked the $6 billion settlement by the makers of the drug oxycontin because it also shielded members of the drug maker's owner,
Shame on Sackler!
the Sackler family, from future lawsuits.
What they've done is really wrong. It's totally wrong. They've harmed so many families across the country.
Ellen Isaac's son Ryan got hooked on the prescription painkiller and died from an overdose. She says the plan the court rejected would have let the Sackler family off the hook.
How does it fall short?
They're not really being held accountable.
The narrow 5-4 decision divided the court along unusual lines. Liberal Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson joined 4 conservatives to stop the settlement, while a coalition of 2 conservatives and 2 liberals disagreed. Writing in dissent, Justice Brett Kavanaugh called the decision unfortunate and destabilizing for possible future victims. And a day after this decision inadvertently posted early, the Supreme Court made it official. For now, federal law supersedes Idaho law, and the state must allow emergency abortions when necessary to protect a pregnant woman's health. Part of a push by President Biden's Attorney General Merrick Garland to keep up the legal pressure on protecting abortion rights.
The Justice Department will continue to use every available tool to ensure that women in every state have access to that care.
Now, the court will hand down more decisions today, and then again on Monday. Of course, we're still waiting on those 2 big ones involving former President Trump, immunity for his actions around January 6th, and what possible charges he could face. Nate?
Jan, thank you.